Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
Birth them gal, high mileage. Hype life this, ice like fridge. See them loyal, me make she my wife and turn them wife in a side chick. Mighty.
Just have a black ball 400 people. They on my page that talk about where we see them. See them, they tell enough of blood clot worry about her. Suck your mother.
I told you this before. You are not me, so you can't do what I do.
Oh, no better start the blood clot cartel in flowers as a father. The man make sure say buy one house and can look over upon him boy and them and him grand picking them over there so. And some of you know as artists will have power. You know picking them and mad out.
These are the great ninja man. The great Gagan. And the YWFL riddim.
When you say Gagan, you mean Gagan about Gagan.
Hear that?
Who does that? Who does that? People. You know me goddamn name, Gagan. You know me got that fame. Mashing up the cheese and we mashing up the lady. The girl a bubble up and them a call out the name card. And ninja, been take a long time me a finger. Show legend, me lock down the bed so. And me a fly the plate.
Pull up.
Me bumbo club.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Yo, hey.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
Vybz Cartel again, you know, people. The teacher just take over the world. You may say no DJ Dreadbeard. He posted them afraid, you know. I say gratitude is a must, no DJ Dreadbeard. He posted me the other day, dog. You know what I mean? Respect that. You may say, you know what Gaza we say, you know. Always support each other, you know. Because that's how we're going to get the movements get bigger and bigger. You don't know, the boss spent 13 years in jail. So it's necessary for us to give him back at least 13 years of make him run back the place again. You get what I mean? But yeah, people.
Yeah, man, big up yourself in a nanny. And yo, if you don't know who nanny is, what do you play one video with nanny expose Alkaline, so the V. Want to say Alkaline and the Vendetta unsigned, the V they stand for Vybz Cartel. So what him do, he remind we him play one video with Sean Storm, I tell her what the V stand for in a Vybz Cartel and at the same unsigned when you see Alkaline I use today, you see me? Yeah, and something else where him say as Gaza we have to work together and me agree, we don't need for a link behind the scenes, but if you see me shout you out over YouTube, you can shout me out back over TikTok or watch ya. Sometimes we the YouTuber, we not in the algorithm over TikTok. We don't control TikTok, you know. So more while you can say, yo, pre-dev like here. Go and go subscribe to him. Because I just play on a video over here and I say on a bother. I play on a video and I big on up as a Gaza. Sometimes on a tag up on the screen, people go follow on the same way, you see me? Yeah man, so big up Nani again, you know, shout out for shout out, you know. And we not do it for shout out, I just Gaza we say. One umbrella. But yeah man people, Vybz Cartel give them a little sneak peek behind the scenes what a hype life is. The man book Dirty Decks for play up on the yacht. A little private party the man book. A selector where a sons gonna go see them Monday and some party where probably Vybz Cartel fee where him book him as double the price where sons would pay him. You see me? Hype life, and some people don't understand the hype life and I ask where is them because them see him with a bag of girl. Cartel have to block them, you see me? And when Vybz Cartel in a hype life say, yo, I'm and him son them apart. Cargo use it for your beat Buju Banton son. I say, yo, Buju Banton not take care of him son. Look how Vybz Cartel and him son them a roll, you see me? And if you look on your screen, them a tell us say Vybz Cartel I go there in Kenya, in a me. Me they have to tell us say that is fake news, even though it's a big Kenya side posted to have about 3 million fans. Kenya gossip. But this happened already last year now. I'm forward out and debunk it and telling us that nothing no go on. And at 2026 and nothing never go on. So if me tell you again, say this fake, me don't know who no want believe the 3 million subscribers them over Kenya gossip are me with a little 10k. Me telling about there's something already. Sometimes the big media them just do this for clicks and views, you see me? But we are going to talk about that later on. Yeah man, and Ninja Man touch upon the wyfl riddim, bro. Like Ninja Man could have record all along. And them later the way man send out with Jojo Mac, Ninja Man could have attack for himself along. People, we are going to talk about it. Doesn't mean I'll not for we see jump on the riddim. But we are going to talk about everything. But before we go no further, let me introduce myself to the brand new viewers and the brand new subscribers. You have tuned in to the baddest reaction channel on YouTube. I am DJ Dreadbeard, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe me. I beg you if you like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. Jano, I'm want to shout out, yo, the brother your name, yeah. I set him up because he want me to say, I want to shout out your mom in HD. But big up your mom. Him drop on $10 upon the last video, you see me? He must say, yo, anybody not like the video, a Batman, so if the video reach you so, I want to not like it yet. I want to know how that go, you see me? Boom, bye, you see me? But yeah, man, people, remember, if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. Liking the video and sharing the video is also a form of support. And the link to the PayPal, I go pin it in the comment section. You can shop me a dog food. And if you don't know how to send a super thanks, see the instruction up on the screen. Yeah, man. So I could get this out of the way fast because we see it go around social media, and because a top site like Kenya Gossip post it, people are going to think it credible. And me been a preach this for about 2 weeks now, say them top site there, whether I want to be Main Danger, Quest Time, Pink Wall, Kenya Gossip, it no matter which country them in, them top site, yeah, them not necessarily credible, bro. And we up on the internet as Gaza vloggers. We not up on the internet are telling a lie on Vybz Cartel. So if you not hear we say it, and when I say we, I mean like all brand of them. Gaza Uncle, State of the Dancehall, Fury Reggae, myself included, DJ Dreadbeard, CM Flame, I always forget CM Flame. If you not hear we run with certain things, it not true. Why? Because we're in the circle. So whether I have to go fact check it with Gaza Uncle or State fact check it with Gaza Uncle, are we at the credible source right now? You see Brando do the Vybz Cartel interview, and you hear Vybz Cartel tell himself say Brando I'm favorite vlogger. So if you not hear we say them something here, bro, or I run with it and I get excited, yeah man, you know say any news like that when I've got to take with a grain of salt, or just wait at least 2 days for Vybz Cartel repost it. So when you hear we say yo, them things are false, you have to just learn how to deal with social media. Not because we have a smaller amount of subscribers, I be not preach this, bro. It no mean say what we are say false and what the bigger site are say correct. Because if you can remember, them they tell we say in December 2025 Vybz Cartel I go over I think Uganda, and me forward out and make them know say yo, just subscribe to the channel, man. Anytime when you hear me announce it or hear the Gaza man them announce it, you know say a facts. Because you see right now the way all the African them well want Vybz Cartel over there, them not even they need a big site like Uganda Gossip to post it. Long as a man put it on one little piece of paper and say Vybz Cartel I go there in Africa, it a go spread like wildfire because they want Vybz Cartel over there like hot bread. You see me? So it's easy to spread rumors because them want Vybz Cartel over there. So me not really wrong them because of some top site I post it, and when I say top site, Kenya Gossip would have be like the shade room in Africa. Yeah. Or the shade room in Africa that. Or the pink wall in Jamaica. So when them say them something here, people will run with it and fact check it. And I see way me forward out the same exact thing me forward out last year and say the same exact thing where me I say to now. I repeat myself again. Every time them do something like this, me have to forward out and tell the African themselves just subscribe to the channel, bro. And we are gonna cover everything in Africa, included the first announcement. When it factual, you know go see we post it. So if you not see we post it, it not go so, bro. If you not see Gaza Uncle Brando them, State of the Dancehall, Fury Reggae them post it, is a new set of Gaza vloggers up on the internet now, you know. And I like back then when some man just beat Alkaline, you know, bro. A different things we have vlog about. It's an information driven platform. More while we mix it up with entertainment and stuff, forget it. You see me on a broader spectrum. We just mix it up with the entertainment and stuff, but it's an information vlog. If you don't hear we debunk something or expose somebody, just know say yo, a facts we talk. Look, so our next one, yeah. Dancehall artist Vybz Cartel is set to headline a major concert in Kampala, Uganda. It over on May the 1st, 2026. I Google me get this pan, you know. Them all tell her the location. Them all tell her everything the details. Right now, the Gaza vloggers them on YouTube, all of the name them when me just call is more credible than Google. By now, you know say anybody can put anything on Google, right? Yeah, so over here so at the source, I'm not gonna repeat myself over and over again. And if you don't see Vybz Cartel repost them things here, or say it himself, then it no go so. You see me? Yeah, that. Yeah, man. Free Labas, free Chronic Law. Vybz Cartel, I live hype life, you know. Then you used to have a thing where they must say the maddest life. Yeah, Vybz Cartel now live no maddest life, a hype life for the new thing right now. You see me? Some things a man put in a song. Some things a man with a cap about Rose Rice and Ferrari, and me just a come off a vacation with 2 girls on a yacht.
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
Them kind of song the way people just sing. Vybz Cartel live their life there in a real life, in a real time. And him just going to a sneak peek how I go on, and me I tell us say social media turn upside down, a back of people get black. And Vybz Cartel I do it because him say them people I love piss off. The people I love I ask which part see them there. You see me? Yeah, but a real life, man, real hype life, the man I give them a sneak peek. You see me? Remember, you know, whole heap of dancehall artists, rappers, artists in general, you have to fake it before you make it. So some things a man say in a song, some imagination where people have, Vybz Cartel I live them in a real life. Anything where you want to sing about private play, anything, Vybz Cartel I live them in a real life. Cause, yo, a Dirty Decks that the man them book for the yacht party, you know. Dirty Decks are top tier international DJ, you know. Yo, bro, you know what's the 8 a cloud enough people judgment. Remember, say rappers and billionaire Jay-Z and some other top chic in a Dubai, when them do them something here, we wow and marvel by it and say, yo, them man they rich, you know. Same way like one of the prince them are one chic from over Dubai with a book. Rihanna for sing at them daughter birthday party, or Beyonce for play at them daughter birthday party. You know so the money they no normal, zine? Now you see where the man book Dirty Decks, bro. You know so the money they no normal. Fin come play upon them boat party, bro. Them here what you call hype life. Them things that our man singing a song, bro. Them things that our people cap about. The money I do it in a real life and people don't understand it. And people are ask where is see them and people are bash him. You look on a real life mega star. And because he is a Jamaican and a few artist, that is the reason why on bash Remado and big up when other people do the exact same thing. Bro, them things that our Drake do and people praise it, bro. Cause when we grow up and see rappers that do them something and a waste champagne and whole heap of girl and we are say, yo, them man they are the man, them man they are the boss. And so we used to talk, so oh, all of a sudden the haters them now say them something they know. Because of Vybz Cartel. Because they might do it bigger than even your favorite rapper sometime. Yo, and the girl that we wanna see around Vybz Cartel, she did it in a teacher's pet, you know. Yeah, so Vybz Cartel has a reconnect with some teacher's pet.
I usually climb all the way to the top of the pole if there was a pole and do crazy stunts, but I just figured since I didn't have a pole, I just show it off.
Well, I mean, everybody knows that she's an exotic dancer, so I don't have a problem with it. I actually enjoy it.
So, yo, one time I see a cameraman, after the girl in the pool naked, they don't know, girl in the pool naked, pum pum exposed to the water, water going in, water coming out. Me see this camera brother here, choke off in that thing. From him dive, him get the you see me I say and him get under this. Cause I'm sure I never dive under the pool and that time I see it up and go like water get in him
Alright people, now never listen to that song here right now. It's the great ninja man, the great Gargan. On the YWFL riddim.
When me say Gargan, to me Gargan about Gargan.
Hear that?
Who does that? Who does that? People. You know me goddamn name, Gargan. You know me got that fame. Mashing up the cheek and me mashing up the nail. Every girl a bubble up and them a call out the name card. You know me goddamn name, Gargan. You know me got that fame. Mashing up the cheek and me mashing up the nail. Every girl a bubble up and them a call out the name card. A ninja me ninja, been peg a long time me a finger. Show legend, me up down the beat so, and me a fly the plate.
Pull up.
When we say Gargan,
wicked man attack. Gargan this year. On the YWFL riddim.
Some back to me intro. I mean a lockdown all from the 80s how it go. You know the goddamn me.
pull up.
That fame, mashing up the shit and me mashing up the lane. Every girl a bubble up and them a call out me name cause a ninja, me ninja. Been take a long time, me a gringo. Show legend, me lock down the bed so and me a fly the plane and me and a passenger. I bag a girl to me thing now. Time change but me tell about the flavor the sting now. See me name now no stigma and me a bring down salt and me back without injury. Listen back to me intro and me a lock down salt and me 80s how it go.
Remember that.
You know the goddamn name.
Yo, so left in the comment over the Ninja Man the sound, you see me, in a 2026. Yo, the rhythm here, it a bring out the beast in the artists them of the 90s, you know, bro. All of the 90s artists, them want piece of the rhythm here, you know. And Ninja Man are not even from the 90s, so the 90s and the 80s artists them, so the 80s artists them just enter the chat. So I want to say Shabba Ranks next, Super Cat, Bounty Killer, you need to ease up off of the trolling and the cloud chasing and jump on the rhythm too. You see me about Jano, Ninja Man keep quiet all along when I hear nothing from Ninja Man musically. And I the rhythm here, draw out Ninja Man wicked like him and say, yo, me have to put something on the rhythm here. The rhythm here talk to me. The rhythm here talk to all of the 90s artists them, bro. You see me? But big up Ninja Man. And me have to tie in Vybz Cartel in the argument no matter what. You see where Vybz Cartel do a prison, I run dancehall from prison. See Ninja Man yeah, Ninja Man could have put out song now, just like how he put out the song yeah. But how Vybz Cartel do it, he might run the place. You probably can put out a one song and get to it and no eyes not upon you. They must say, sure, I want one song. But when Vybz Cartel like your song after song, album after album, it a sell goal behind the bars, yeah man, that's something where you have to talk about, that's something where you have to marvel by. You see me? Because a man can record a prison, but what going to happen after? Or how long him can keep it up for? You see me? So we have to always bring Vybz Cartel in a them conversation. You see me? And who else up on the rhythm? We see Nuffy, MC Nuffy jump on the rhythm to you people. Listen MC Nuffy and tell me how him sound in the comment section.
Hey, me no fee, they know me no so, and everything when me touch it just bust so. That girl never fee, they know she bust so. When she pass with me, let me think tough so. As a little youth, me mama used to give me last so. You so love gun, so me end up down a master.
But yeah man people, right so I cut it, don't. I'm DJ Dreadbeard. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. May I beg you if you like the video, share the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. And yo, one more thing I want to say before I go. People out there are clickbait on Vybz Cartel. Me, how me do my vlog, I try go factual. Especially when I talk about Vybz Cartel. We know do the whole heap of clickbait thing. You see me? Clickbait get a whole heap of views. People they out there for the money. You see me? People not really there out there. Like for you know, factual news. Notice some of the news that when I telling about Vybz Cartel. Like all yesterday I telling us Vybz Cartel. Them a use Vybz Cartel image at Japan. Like how them would use a Bob Marley image for sell weed and them something there. Them something there you not go hear no whole heap of vloggers that talk about it. So you have to subscribe to them channel like whether you're African, whether you're European, diaspora. Anyway, just subscribe to the channel and forget the factual information about Vybz Cartel. And if you want to watch the video there, when I talk about Vybz Cartel face is like Bob Marley over Japan, see the video there on the screen, you see me? So you can click on it, you don't have to go nowhere. Just click on it and it take you to the video when I talk about that. But I'm DJ Dreadbeard, signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.